Folks, thanks for hanging out at BrianBledsoeWeather.com. I'm Chief Meteorologist Brian Bledsoe, and after a very hot streak of weather where we had high temperatures well into the 100s across most of southeast Colorado, southwest Kansas, and down into the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas, we're starting to cool things off just a little bit. That very large ridge of high pressure that gave us all that heat has shifted to the west just a little bit, so now folks down around Phoenix and Vegas, and even extending northward up through Salt Lake City and into the Pacific Northwest are dealing with some very hot temperatures. Could approach 120 in the desert with this latest bout of heat. But for us, we're starting to see cooler and wetter times around parts of eastern Colorado. And I say parts because a lot of southeast Colorado is still not getting regular rainfall. It's been very spotty, and the best rainfall over the past few days has been confined to areas mainly along and west of I-25 on up into the mountains. And certainly the mountains need some rain, but we could sure welcome some rain to get east of the mountains. Unfortunately, what's going on is our upper level winds are basically blowing from north to south. So if you are not in the path of one of these storms that's moving from north to south, you kind of get shorted or maybe even left out completely as far as the rainfall goes. So from now, which is Saturday, right through Monday and early Tuesday, if you're looking for rain, you better look to those northern skies because that's the direction those storms will be coming from. Because of this, I think the farther east you go, you're going to struggle to get rain. So for folks out near the Colorado-Kansas line, I'm sorry, but I think your rainfall is going to be even more spotty than it has been around here lately. If you live farther west, there's enough juice in the atmosphere where these showers and thunderstorms will certainly put down a decent amount of rain in a short period of time, and that will obviously threaten area burn scars, the Waldo Canyon burn area, the Black Forest burn area, East Peak, as well as Arroyo Gorge, and that's certainly something I'm watching closely from the TV side of things. But overall, this weather pattern is certainly some welcome relief. It's not going to last long, though. It looks like we go back to hot and mainly dry as we head toward the latter portion of this upcoming week. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. My email address is brianbledsowx@gmail.com, or just post a comment right here on our website, brianbledsoeweather.com. Thanks for joining me today.